Hey everyone, and Happy New Year from beautiful Southern Oregon. Thought I'd give you a little update. Starting off the new year a little different. Of course, I don't have my lovely bride Pam with me anymore, but she's still here in a sense. She's up in heaven. And I'm dealing with it, guys. I really am. I know a lot of people seem to be worried. Yeah, I have my down days, and then I have my good days. Bad moments, good moments, but I'm getting through it okay. Last night was a little tough. Today's a little better, though, because, hey, college football's on. Well, they're in a commercial right now, but watching a little college football action. Then later on, though, I've got to go to work. But I always remember Pam always made us something with black eyed peas for New Year's to bring us good luck for the year. So I've been working in the kitchen today, and I want to show you what I've been working on. Hopefully I can turn this camera around, and we'll go in here. And first of all, I got the recipe, if you can see it there, from Publix. And it says it's a lucky pork and beans thing. But, you know, they use black eyed peas, and Pam and I don't eat pork, so we do chicken. So here's what I came up with. Okay, first of all, over here in the crock pot, can you see it? I don't know if I cannot run this silly camera like that. There it is, some chicken that I browned, okay? And then over here, let's get it right. Green peppers, onions, black-eyed peas, celery, and a bunch of seasoning. That is going to be, hey, I think I fogged up the lens. Anyway, that's going to be poured over the chicken, which I've got in the crock pot, and let it cook all day, and hopefully it's going to be good. I'll give you a review later, but I think it's going to be pretty tasty. In the meantime, you guys have a great new year, and if you can, come see me. I got plenty of room around here, okay? Have a good one. Bye.